So it is Thursday. Yep, Thursday. And yeah, London session. Let's see what we have. My kid is doing really well. He's, it is going really fast for him to recover. He's like, like nothing happens. So yeah, thank you for asking. But yeah, let's check out what happened, or like what is happening. So I added fair value gap indicator plus daily highs and lows. For some reason, this fair value gap indicator is like kind of when it's weak break, it still keeps it. So it's kind of pointless. But let's see what we do have. But we do have something in here. Not the prettiest. Not the prettiest. This is like really big order block. Let's see. We haven't tapped into that daily low. So we have no clear targets. We have no clear delivery. Yeah, probably would like to miss that trade. But what about here? Here, okay, gbpusd. Now you can see how powerful is this, like previous day higher low here, exactly like wicked out. This is like really common way that we wick out and then we reverse. And yeah, we did that in here. Order block, kinda something in here. Let's see what's 1 minute looks like. Yeah, I wouldn't enter here, but most probably here is actually really nice looking order block. So from there I would take the trade, sell for sure, or actually we have clean like delivery. I would buy from here as well. So it's kind of similar to eurusd what we have in here, but with gbpusd we have like clear reason why we start moving upwards. So it was like previous day low was broken in here, and from there we can expect upwards movement. eurusd wise, it's just randomly in here. Actually, like we do have some order block, so we tapped into the order block, we took off from here and we tapped again. Okay, it depends on the setup, so probably we'll take eurusd as well. Now let me now explain you what happened yesterday. So yesterday it wasn't like official trade. I just wanted to show you this example. How is it going in gbpusd? So here I guess it was Jordan who wanted to have like sells in here, and yeah, it was a loss probably. So and I told you as well that with that case, if we have like momentum up, we need to have some sort of like confirmation that we want to go lower. Plus we had like daily high and so on in here, so we had clean target upwards. So it was like pretty silly trade to sell. But I just wanted to show you, since I don't have any like main account, it's just like play around account for me, and I hope that this wouldn't be that much drawdown. So I just wanted to show you that you can play like basically you can make same trade, but you can make like two different scenarios. One would be you would be enter like premature really fast and get your stop loss or like drawdown, and another one will be, like I said to you, wait for confirmation that this low not broken, this low break in here, and from there we have market structure shift. Now we can start okay, yesterday was non-farm payrolls as well, so this like sharp of the movement, that was maybe a little bit more than expected. But as of overall, like when you get this like confirmation, like I said yesterday, like we need some confirmation because we have this huge momentum up, we need to break this. And we had actually this confirmation in here. I just wanted to enter like prematurely to show you that I will actually show you even though I got stop loss. I will show you that there was actually, you know, let's just say that stop loss for some reason was really high for some reason. So in here there was some like 1 minute, you know, kind of setup, like session started to getting over, so I just wanted to enter so I can show you. But you can see pretty much we're just going upwards. We're going upwards. We actually exceeded this order block as of overall as well. Maybe here we have some confirmation that yes, we might go downwards. And this one was clean, like 15-minute market structure break, or change of character even. This was clean one. So from there, like you can either sell here prematurely, or pretty much what I wanted to show you. For example, here we have also sell signal. So yes, there was non-farm payrolls, I know that, but just like it was like pretty much similar area, you know. One was just, you know, we're going towards drawdown first, and then we'll start going down. And then another one was just like every confirmation was taken, just quick tap in here, quick signal, and take profit. So and again, I know that this was non-farm payroll, so maybe not the best, you know, example here, but as of overall, you know, when we have like really good momentum, then I think it's really like good decision to not, you know, go in prematurely, because it's really like this is what's killing, you know, profits like a lot, when we just go in too fast. And also another thing, what like what will be the best setups? It will be either the ranges or momentum. So like I don't know, here is no signal, but I don't know, for example, just let's say here we have clear momentum up, we come back down, we hit the order block, and we want, you know, to enter with the momentum. So now we kind of shifted momentum, we have like order block, we tapped and we went down, we tapped, we went down. Now we kind of shifted momentum, we tapped, we go up. Like we want to trade with the momentum. So when the momentum is clearly up and there is like some, I don't know, in here some order block in here, for example, so that's not like really recent. So the recent movement plays a lot more role in here. And what happened yesterday, that was kind of, you know, old structure. Like right now we had this momentum up. This was also like clear highs from yesterday, and we do like swept them and reversed from there. But still, like with this case, I would wait for market structure shift, and then I will look for sells. Yeah, like really good examples lately, really good examples. Also I have back tested like entry model, so maybe I think maybe next week we can do backtesting session together. I will show you how I exactly backtest, but pretty much what I do, I will backtest only this 50% entry model, because it just shows so good results. And second thing is that I don't know, I can't get real value indicator into FX replay, so I can't have like precise entries backtested. So I just backtest without indicator. I backtest with this 50% model, and yeah, so far I can say that really good results, really good results. That way, even like the case is that we need 10 pips. Was it Monday, or where was it? There was, I think there is some live example. Was it yesterday? Okay, we had trade here yesterday. It hit a take profit one, then reversed, but Did we have something on Tuesday? Yep, we had. Okay, there is, let's see. Okay, I don't find any recent you know, examples here, but usually when we enter like really fast, then we need to have some sort of like really good, or like, you know, bigger stop loss. Basically we need to have bigger stop loss because like market is playing around. Maybe yesterday was good example. Let's see. So yesterday we entered there and take profit one. I guess it was here. So it was here. That wasn't that great example actually, because we basically hit it with no drawdown. But usually what happens, like market is playing around a lot and it hits like 5 pips and so on, and then it decides to go. With this 50% entry, we usually have really like fast entries. Like even here, I checked out yesterday. So this was our entry. If we need to clear 50%, then our entry would be in here. Okay, like yesterday was bad example. It wasn't better because it wasn't like the winning setup as well. We just catch our 5 pips. But as of overall, like this 50% will give you like really precise, you know, directions. Let's see, like I don't know if we have something. Okay, this one was really clean. Why? Because it's also like this was previous, you know, low or like high. We broke it. You see, we go back 50% and now we go up. But maybe I will get some another way example. I don't know. So for example, let's just say that here is some order block, you know, and we have a signal. Let's say we had signal here. So if it just had signal and we haven't confirmed it, usually market will go still up till the point where we actually break some structure, make some pullback, and from here we would enter. So in there wasn't any order blocks, there wasn't anything, just like market wise, it's just like market structure shift. It will give like so much more. So yeah, maybe next week we will do one more backtesting session. I will show you. This will take me like a lot of time to backtest everything. So it is all good. But yeah, so far I can say it's working really well that way. And yeah, but yeah, meanwhile we actually started like London session opened. Let's quickly check out. Sabrina, by the way, you're watching something as well, like you setup wise, something you want to see? Yeah, right now. Okay, you don't have anything in mind what you would like to see, because I know you trade a slightly different way. Probably this high gets broken with gbpusd. Okay, yeah, so yeah, like most probably gbpusd will give us something good. Yeah, when it is earlier, then there is sometimes no signals, because signals needs to have you know, some sort of volume in there. But during like before like London session, we don't have too much volume. but yeah, like I would probably like, this is the benefit for this 50% entry as well, that sometimes, you know, real value indicator, it's really good confirmation, I will still use it, but sometimes there is like setups what we miss because we don't have, you know, indicator signal. Most of the times, of course, we miss losses because we don't have the signal, but sometimes there is just really good setup but no signal. That's why I try to find some, you know, more mechanical solution as well, like picture wise, that if there is no signal, there should be some confirmation. Yeah, okay, Sabrina sent really good, like highs taken out, really good picture. Yeah, that was yesterday, correct? Yeah, those were correct. Yeah, yeah, only those setups right now. What we will have, I don't even know what will be the best case scenario in here. Like the buy first or sell first. I would take like them both anyway, but most probably one of them will be the runner. What will run like a lot. So let's keep eye on it. Yeah, correct. Correct. Sometimes, yeah, there is just no signal, especially earlier. No signals, but you know, setups looks really, really nice. But if I watch this picture, did we get some confirmation? Second trade will be definitely already confirmed that we wanted to have some sells. Yeah, yeah, but also how I have used it. If I watch your picture, for example, second trade, you have their like real value indicator actually divergent in there, because you had signal before and then you had higher high and the real value indicator make lower high. So like I have tried to, you know, get those confirmations in there as well if I need some more confirmation. So so yeah, that was, there was some confirmations. Yeah, really good setups. You have a really eye for like really good setups. That's nice. That's nice. But but yeah, I don't know. It looks like today we don't have, again, within our like you know, session, we don't have some setups. But what I will do also next next week probably, I will start posting those like for example in here I will add alert. So if we hit there, I would like to see some buys. If we hit here, I would like to see some sells, and here buys. So next week I will start, I already made the channel and so on, so I will you know, make few changes in Discord. But I will probably start posting, like for example right now I will post this, that hey, those are our zones what we'll keep eye on, and if we hit there, then I will make like a different channel where I keep you updated, where I enter the trades, where I get the signal, what will be take profit 1, take profit 2, and so on. So I will keep basically my own track record somewhere from next week. So then you will get basically as, let's say, signals as well. Maybe like morning session signals you don't get if I enter right now. Or maybe I will enter or like update you as well. I don't know how it all plays out. So I try to like trade plus give you some updates plus signals plus, you know, trade as well. So so yeah, let's see how this is going. But yeah, for sure I will give you, for example, in that case, this picture that hey, those are the zones. Maybe I'll make like some, let's see actually right now, can I edit the lines as well? Crossing line. Can I make this line, for example, red or something? Okay, I will figure something out. So so you know, like next week I'll figure something out if there will be like red lines or something, so you'll know exactly where I want to enter. And yeah, I try to give you updates as much as possible, because especially like probably next from next month I have backtested so much that we probably have really good system, like really good system, and entry models and everything. But I think first month it will be a little bit like you know, complicated, because for example what happened yesterday as well, that I knew exactly what's going to happen. We will breach this and then we need some market structure shift, and that was what happened. So I tried to just update you in there so you will get the same views, the same signals and so on. Like the main goal would be still that you will trade on your own, but meanwhile I will just help you out because I'm trading anyway. And yeah, some new updates coming as well from the next week. We have some, or like I have partnered up with some people, so there will be maybe some copy trading options and so on. But yeah, then we will talk to you later. So have a nice day. Right now those are the levels. EURUSD and gbpusd have both levels, so we are coming up to this zone. Let's see what we will have. One of them would be most probably runner for the day. And I will update you on chat what's going on. So have a nice day. And yeah, EURUSD we don't have clear order block. We like had it kinda in here maybe, but yeah, like I don't know, really clean order block we don't have with eurusd, but it looks like gbpusd we catch it better way. So that's the good thing to have two pairs that we can choose right now. So if, like for example, if we would only trade eurusd, yes, probably right now I would looking for sells, but I see that we have way better looking setup with gbpusd, so now we can choose which way we want to go. And yeah, that's the case. But also like unofficially this could be our area for eurusd. Let's see. Okay, we don't have signal anyway, so yeah, we need a little bit more movement. But okay, yeah, okay, we just crossed. Let's see. Okay, we crossed, but we don't have the signal. So now you know we just need a signal, and I'm entering. If we cross it too much, then I don't enter anymore, but I will keep you updated. So thank you and see you.